Hi, welcome to our channel. I'm Mami Aifas, and this channel is about autism and cryptocurrencies. For today's video, we will be talking about cryptocurrencies. So this is our 10th vlog and our 5th on cryptocurrencies. To start, I am not a financial advisor, and this video is for educational purposes only, also for entertainment. Based on sa kung ano lang din yung ma-research ko as applicable, I will share the links sa description part for your reference. Okay, so for today, I'll be sharing my top YouTube channels discussing the hottest news in cryptocurrencies. So I actually strongly suggest for you to watch their videos daily before buying anything. Okay, so sa Philippines, actually I recommend Chink Positive channel ni Sir Chinkitan. They don't discuss cryptocurrencies regularly or daily, but they also discuss other investing tools. So maganda yung channel niya kasi siksik-liglig kumbaga, 'di ba? Lahat na ng pwedeng makatulong sa isang Pilipino para maka-earn ng money, binibigay na ni Sir Chinkitan. So also on budgeting, yan. So maganda pong i-check nyo yung channel ni Sir Chinkitan. Yan. So that's Chink Positive channel. And also, they do release videos every 8 p.m. Yun. Daily yun even weekends. Okay, so for US, my first favorite is BitBoy Crypto. So I mentioned them sa last week na video natin. Ben is the main man. They have the morning technical analysis or TA with Piano Manny B and Scaramucci. Scaramucci is the cat on top of the piano. So they also have the 3-minute video on updates. There's also an hour of Ben doing market watch, Q&A with the live chats. Yan. So okay na okay siya, very interactive. Hot news on crypto as well. Yun, so they do discuss that news. Also the around the blockchain, where they invite crypto channels to discuss crypto and their thoughts on certain news. So, yan. Actually, yung sinasabi ko the morning TA, ano to parang around 8 a.m. Eastern Time. So, 8 p.m. sa atin. Mga 9 p.m. ganyan. Sa Manila time. Okay, and then there's Coin Bureau. Sa Coin Bureau, very composed yung channel na to. Ang name ng main man nila is si Guy, G-U-Y. Usually, sa intros niya, where he usually portray a certain character like a fireman, Mario from the Mario Brothers, and other surprising characters, just to tell people that he is not a financial advisor. So that's part of the entertainment nung channel na to. And this is really a good channel on deep dive information on certain crypto. So I do highly recommend Coin Bureau at talaga pag yung gusto mo ng detailed report on certain news. Yan, sobrang galing nila. Okay, and then we have Altcoin Daily. Altcoin Daily, yung host dito, they're actually twins, si Aaron and si Austin. They do drop a video daily. Mostly they discuss crypto news, the hottest ones, sharing their personal views and perspective. And they actually just hit their 1 million subscription recently. I think last month. Yun. So, very good channel din siya. And then Lark Davis also dropping daily videos on crypto news, giving technical analysis. So, okay na okay din yan si Lark Davis. And then Brian Jong, not really daily. Medyo busy rin kasi sa pagbili ng bahay, and I think tama ba? Magbili ng bahay. Basta marami pa siya ibang activities. So, sometimes nagiging weekly yung updates niya. Pero once nagbibigay siya ng video, very detailed din yun. And yun, discussing the hottest news. So, one of my favorite din, si Brian Jong, doing deep dive on certain cryptocurrency news. Yan. And then digital asset news. Usually, he shares his own portfolio Also good in explaining news. So, um, of course, hindi din siya financial advisor, pero still, isa siya sa mga pinapanood ko talaga daily. And then, si Graham Stephen, truly, ito, good din siya. He explains hard, yung, may mga complex na news, pero pag siya yung nag-explain, parang mas maintindihan mo siya in a very easy way. So, kaya talaga explain yung mga news na medyo magulo or nakalito. So, maganda rin siyang i-check si Graham Stephen. The Moon, bata pa to eh. I'm not sure kung ilang taon na siya, pero parang feeling ko nasa 20s, ganyan. Really good technical analysis. Usually, kino-compare niya yung mga graphs from 2013 to, 2013, 2017, yung 4 years na sinasabi na gap, na makikita mo dun yung galaw ng mga crypto and historical na galaw niya. So, doon nila nasabi na, okay, itong mga time na to, tataas na talaga yung Bitcoin. Itong time na to, ito na yung altcoin season. Yan. So, maganda yung channel niya if you really after technical analysis. So, okay na okay. And then, itong mga sabihin kong next, I've seen their video siguro mga 1 or 2 times pa lang. Pero, based on dun sa pagkaka-check ko sa videos nila, actually they're good or worthy of checking then. So, better check them out then. They do give technical analysis. So, kasi for me, it's better for you to see several YouTube channels on cryptocurrencies, and then before you decide on what cryptocurrency you really want to buy. Okay, one of them is Alex Becker's channel. I also have here Ivan on Tech, Connor Kenny, si Michael Rubel, that's WRUBEL, Rubel. And then I also have here Crypto Capital Venture. Yeah, so that's it. Actually, siya yung last na sa na-check ko pa lang na YouTube channel, and I'm sure masyadong marami yan sa YouTube na nagbibigay ng technical analysis, deep dive on different cryptocurrency news. So, I'm sure marami pa yan. Pero ito pa lang yung mga na-check ko, and yun nga, ang pinaka-favorite ko locally is yung kay Searching Kitan, which is the Ching Positive channel. And then for the US is yung BitBoy Crypto, also Coin Bureau. Yan, sila yung mga highly recommended ko na i-check nyo daily. And there, so that's it for this video. Hope nagustuhan nyo po. If yes, hope you can smash that like button and subscribe to our channel and click all para ma-notify po kayo every time na mag-upload kami ng new videos. And if you have relatives and friends na might benefit from our videos, hope you can share din po. Okay, so thank you so much for watching me. Yan, so stay safe po palagi and see you sa next video. Bye!